Hello everyone, welcome to Tax Adhyayan. In this video, we will see how to register a tax deductor or collector in the reporting portal of income tax and how to check the status of specified person in the reporting portal. We all know that via Finance Act 2021, Section 206 AB and 206 CCA are inserted in the Income Tax Act 1961, which is effective from 1st July 2021. These sections impose a higher TDS or TCS rate on the specified persons as defined in the new sections. To know in detail about this section, watch our video TDS or TCS for non-filers of income tax return. The link has been provided in the description of this video. In view of the above, Income Tax Department has facilitated a new functionality, compliance check for Section 206 AB and 206 CCA. To facilitate tax deductors or collectors to verify if a person is a specified person as per Section 206 AB and 206 CCA. To know how the logic in the functionality is going to work, watch our video New Functionality to Find a Specified Person. The respective link is provided in the description of this video. Please note, this functionality is made available through Reporting Portal of Income Tax Department, that is report.insight.gov.in. The overview of this functionality is it enables tax deductors or collectors to verify if a person is a specified person as per Section 206 AB and 206 CCA. This functionality is available to the principal officers of the registered TAN at the home page of the reporting portal. Please note, principal officers are nothing but authorized person of an entity. To access the compliance check for 206 AB and 206 CCA functionality, tax deductor or collector need to register through TAN on the reporting portal of Income Tax Department. Now we will see how to register a tax deductor or collector on the reporting portal. Following steps may be followed for registration of TAN on reporting portal. First, go to reporting portal at URL report.insight.gov.in. On the left sidebar of the reporting portal homepage, click on Register button. User is redirected to the e-filing login page or directly navigated to e-filing portal through www.incometax.gov.in. Log into e-filing using e-filing login credential of TAN. Under Pending Action, select Reporting Portal. After being redirected to the reporting portal, select New Registration option and click Continue. On the next screen, select the form type as Compliance Check, Tax Deductor and Collector. The entity category will be displayed based on the category in which TAN is registered at e-filing. Click Continue to navigate to Entity Details page. Enter relevant entity details on the Entity Details page. To add Principal Officer details, click on Add Principal Officer button. Please note, Principal Officers are nothing but authorized person in an entity. Enter Principal Officer detail on the Principal Officer details page. If more users such as Nodal Officer, Alternate Nodal Officer and other users are to be registered at this instant, adding the details of such users can be continued. Otherwise, the same can be done after registration also. Before submitting, click on Preview button to view the entered entity and principal officer details. Then click on Submit button to submit the registration request. Acknowledgement receipt of registration request is provided through portal and the same will be shared through an email notification to the principal officer. Once the registration request is approved by the Income Tax Department, email notification will be shared with the principal officer along with ITD REIN details and login credentials. Now we will see how the principal officer, nothing but authorized person, can access the functionality on reporting portal. Go to reporting portal at URL report.insight.gov.in. On the left sidebar of the reporting portal homepage, click on Login button. Enter the required details in the respective fields, that is nothing but PAN and password as received in the email by the principal officer, and click Login to continue. If principal officer's PAN is registered for multiple forms and ITD reigns, he or she needs to select form type as compliance check, tax deductor and collector, and associated ITD reigns from the drop down. After successfully logging in, the home page of reporting portal appears. Click on Compliance Check for Section 206AB and 206CCA link provided as shortcut on left side panel. Now we will see how to do compliance check for Section 206AB and 206CCA to identify a specified person after logging into the reporting portal. Upon clicking Compliance Check for Section 206AB and 206CCA at the home page, the Compliance Check functionality page appears. Through the functionality, tax deductors or collectors can verify if a person is a specified person as defined in Section 206AB and 206CCA. The same can be done in two modes. First one is PAN search to verify for a single PAN, and the second one is bulk search to verify for PAN in bulk. First we will see how to do single PAN search in the reporting portal after login. Select PAN search tab under Compliance Check for Section 206AB and 206CCA functionality. Enter valid PAN and CAPTCHA code and click search. Following output result will be displayed, that is financial year, PAN, name as per PAN, PAN allotment date, PAN and Aadhaar link status. Finally, it will show whether he is a specified person under Section 206AB and 206CCA. Please note, output result will not be shown if invalid PAN is entered. If you want the output result in a PDF format, then click PDF icon to download the details in the PDF format. Please note, output will be provided the date on which the specified person status as per Section 206AB and 206CCA is determined. Now we will see how to do bulk search in the reporting portal. Select the bulk search tab. Download the CSV template by clicking on Download CSV template button. Fill the CSV with PANs for which specified person status is required. Provided PAN should be valid PAN and count of PANs should not be more than 10,000. Upload the CSV by clicking on Upload CSV button. Uploaded file will start reflecting the uploaded status. The status will be of four types, that is uploaded, available, downloaded, link expired. Download the output result CSV once status available is clicking on available link. After downloading the file, the status will change to downloaded, and after 24 hours of availability of the file, download link will be expired and the status will change to link expired. Please note, downloaded output result will show the following details: financial year, PAN, name as per PAN, PAN and Aadhaar link status, and finally it will show whether the person is a specified person under Section 206AB and 206CCA. Output will also provide the date on which the specified person's status as per section 206AB and 206 CCA is determined. Hope you got to know how to do the registration in the reporting portal as a tax deductor or collector and how to check the status of specified person in the reporting portal. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, visit our channel Tax at the End and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.